What is up, guys? Glitchy gamecube here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to add friends to the Nintendo 3DS friend code list. First you have to have internet connection. Okay, click on this friends list. Okay, so you see how I have my friend code. What you want to do is you want to go right here, register friend. You want to click on either whoever you're close to. If you're close to someone who has a 3DS, you live in the same house as them, you want to click local. But if you want to register someone over online, you're going to click that. Sorry if it sounds stupid right now, I'm not. And then you enter their friend code. Then they'll send and you have to enter their name. So, I don't have anything to register right now. But say you want to register a friend, you just type in their friend code the way it is. You just write down their friend code. You add that to the system by typing in their friend code. I know it's hard to sound how it sounds right now. I know. Okay, I know it sounds really tough to do, but it's not. Just add the friend code, then it'll send them one, and then all they have to do is add your friend code, and then you're automatically friends. And that, my friends, is how you add friends on the Nintendo 3DS. Thanks for watching, even though I sounded like a complete nerd doing this. Just happy to help out my fellow subscribers and my fellow fans and my fellow other YouTubers. Okay.